Mra for radio no problem point FM. One is day bia be hinta sembra 91.7 FM so. Na dwumadi ani nyina ne se eno ma hinta. Enna mpanyimfo biebie so. E kese bibia hinta. Ade na se wonim but wonim. Ade bi wo ho a hinta. Che se ade no anhwehwe wu. Oti ase. Ade bi wo ho mpanyimfo no tetefo no kom de no ma bebre. Hinta ye, wo bi sumaye. Enti de mo a wo sua no. Enna wo na nabi ebe bia ade bi so a kire se wait enete. Enti e ka hinta sama no ma hinta wo Bible. Ene Quran mu ena yesua na ye ka Quran ne Bible a de ntia ya fatu ne se anu ne eliji wo wiase nyina eye Islamic and afi Christianity ye ka eye Muslim ene Christopher a ena ya dominate wo wiase nyina enti ne ye hwe Quran ne Bible ena yesua mu ade oso wo bi foforo na chi wadwan abecha abedwan ne ye yesua ade enti me bom nyina maba so mama kwa ba ne payimfo atena ase na hu se Dr. Kasha here all map. They say I'm paying big guy. Also about the church 20 reasons sir. And just Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad. 20 reasons. I just said Prophet Muhammad. Jesus Christ. Christians ya chekwa every Christian oye nyakopon pe eso eye na pastor so ha the people say no no say who you dey everything nti mayanko na your church na dey no na won share na papa man our Bible what you are to kai Quran fa Quran no e na ofa ofon bra go bra benya Quran benya Bible sia ge na you sia de bi chi wa twa ya so sia wonu ni de chire no now so watching me again. Mamini can more Dr. Kashi Abaso or by late. So Mamini can one of us say listen. We did any kind. Obey the date. Mamini can one of us. I don't buy us in the match. I was obey. Obey my own mouth for 20 minutes. Okay, India. Reverend Dr. Benito, which one, Misa?
What's your banana?
What's your banana? Doctor. Principal. And they watch nothing. Once they get in the brand and also, what your reverend, what your doctor, what your principal, what your worshipper. Everything to which one, Misa. Oh, no, then you have something. Let's have one.
Oh, Yamiami. A pass of Yamiadumunti. And it's a Bible Nagasaka, so running the two watching in Yanamo. And until Radiadumunti, or Radi Ediabidras with your gospel.
Nam. You knew Abia Bokobia. Alhamdulillah, la Kulaha. Bibia Muneda Salama and Compassion. Alhamdulillah, la Kulaha.
That's all you know, man.
Mere no.
Oh, you know, three. Two wife. Nice.
Obiawe.
Dr. Kashi.
What's your banana?
You got a body.
Yamia Nadum.
Also, I'm sorry if you're no man.
Yamia Dumobiawe, as well. Yami, you might be.
And no one is saying, I hope
you might be.
Prophetess Mama Love.
Yamia Dum. I don't need to show you. Yeah, also, I don't need to show through.
Yes, you may be an the brown. You must be a key of what you want the ladies in Panama. And the defendants will say, of course, your back. Reckon said, what do I say backwards? And it became man of mine now, Obodo Gobia, Navi, cross examination about it. And check me, chat your wow. The person mouth first 10 minutes.
So much say we are no, right. But I don't make us a moon.
That is what I can say. Me mouth 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And Saturday, 4:43. Like I want to say, Jesus, or a Muslim and not a Christian. And when you come out, you better change in there. But also will prove 10 reasons that you say Jesus Christ here, Muslim. Enti we can say, when I would watch some about young corner into the Odebretti.
As the BC, I in 29 camp for Encounter for Yanko, that's very important. I wouldn't move at him. When Yamia will come no more, you will pray with sans of the idea. Obio to me, yes, sir. I know this I'm marrying this as in order domain, but the Chamada would know what you're different, sending me to the fish, never chance. I don't any room coming in winter. Obia would see with you upon Kobe and Nakum. One more year assembly tea for 1 year for. And in be a scrap my marina. You understand a cement to San Canon comes for Nara, and can Canon comes in Mohammed Salama or your kitchen on Comes. No more bronca, Monsieur for no more way and church D, no cross minute, every Sunday, and minimum bronca. Nenka Jesus.
And the Prophet Muhammad he came to on comes to 40 years.
Now,
Some places we have
now, edi kind say ye betchra say Yesu ye Muslim. Or say you didn't kind define what is Muslim.
Okay.
Then Muslim ansana. A Muslim, you can say Muslim, or you'll be a was submitted the will to only one God. Or the name we are Ashan Yankopon. That is the meaning of Muslim. Yankopon Kwam, Yankopon, as in quote Yamin Kwam. Obini wreshing a mim.
But when you be brilliant, no one to
and one of more young baby, and Yami. Yankopon. So, alhamdulillah, ye bedin kind actually sent yes, you are Muslim. Eddie Kanye, first pillar. Your first pillar, a kalima to shahada. And only Ubeja to say a point about connecting the Miberan canon. Yes, you kind. Our John 17, verse number 3. As for this is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ, whom thou hast sent. As say, who no correct, as when you down, say, who no correct and coupon and Jesus Christ on your married and your Yasmano. Or Mark 12, verse number 28 to 29. Juni by Yesu, nor see Yesu say, Ura Yesu, then a mere many down. No, also a man seminar would be kind of mine, near when I most important, and Yesu boy would greet him, because a Shema Israel. Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Ehad. Oh, Israel way, Munti. You would and Yankopon, you would Yankopon Yaba. That is the first pillar of Islam, to agree saying Yankopon Yaba. And then the first pillar of Islam, yes, I agree. Now, over Quran, according to Yana Muslim Tanko to Quran, Quran chapter number. Quran chapter number 42, verse number 13. Meaning
Quran chapter 42, verse 13.
Quran chapter number 42, verse number 13. Yesu ka assemble of honor. No, Quran betre. Nyame ankasa betre and say Yesu ye wana. Messi nyam me betre. Yes, Yesu kasa o Quran. Yeah, kasa o Quran. Now, o say shara alakum min ad-din ma wasabihi nuha. O say menyankopon ma pa wosum bi di amam. Sa som no and then I make power the man Noah Brisson Yan and Soma Noah Omosumi. Wallavi Awena Eleke. Sassuman and Mimadan the editor concerning Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Also, Wama was so in Abi Ibrahima. Sassuman and Medama Abraham Suso. No say, Wa Musa and a Moses, Wa Isa and a Jesus. And Akimu Dina. Sassuman and Mundina Mupinting.
What is Quran is
Jesus. And Akimu Dina. Munjina su saa so no eno kwa no mfa ye adwuma som na Yesu ba fa so no Moses fa so no Abraham fa so no na mfa mo bra wala tatafarraku mama nkwatete branches bia yenjina Islam som na nko aso ana Quran 2 verse 136 ose kulu amanna billahi yankase yajinyankopon di wama unzila ilaina ne yajini wasajide ma yajidi wama unzila ila ibrahima ne wasajide ma abraham yajidi wa ismail ana ishmael yajidi wa ishaq ana isaac yajidi wa yakuba ana jacob yajidi wala asbat en jacob ne mammere madum yenu ejomo nyina wama utiya musa enen yankopon sajide ma moses yajidi wa isa ana jesus yajidi la no farqu bayna ahadin minhum yanyan yimu ewo nkomsefo no wo mu yanyan yimu ewo mu wona ne lawo muslimun yanyan ne jesus ne nkomsefo nyina yenkramofo. Now, so have you noticed this? Much the first pillar I am a nipa yenkramoni Yesu waka first pillar no na pillar no vary according to nkomseni biara Yesu abere so e man John we wu ne Yesu kwa no yenkomseni enti la ilaha illallah wa isa rasulullah yeji de sengo pan baako Yesu ba yamene somafo. That is testimony obeka obenya so na yako. That time Yesu abere so according to Islam. Moses abere so la ilaha illallah Musa rasulullah nyame biara no age Moses nko ana Moses o yakopon na somafo. Where Arabic,
but some na mo kan kasa be no
say omo abere so no omo so mo kan Hebrew kasa ni ena ma kire mo dia ba otwi mu say nyame biara ni wo a obo soro ba asase je no kura yakopon ne nko a na Moses ye no somafo. Moses abere so no be kan no. Now, have you noticed this no? O call the second step a money pay kremoni e yo sorry. Ye wo sorry was steps. Obe peja wonsa. Obo bo hu ase. na na bɛka fam na wobɛtena hɔ ase no wabu nkotodwe saa no Muslim say yes you.
But sana encheche no etie wo Quran like tangible person.
Yes. Owe Matthew chapter number 26 verse number 39. Yesu ko nim ka no mo butu fam na oya so. Even Yesu send enkremo fo ye no mo butu fam na oye.
But I have no question being to that answer.
Even Yesu esuafo no kura no Matthew 17 verse number 5 to 7. Some won so mo ya so.
No problem, but it's no question. Maybe question they say. And nay momo de na mo de mumu abofo ma momo ya sore no. Mo yusu buta eni nsuo ni no mabi ni no ma mo ye ne kase. But yes time na wo kan. How we should so buta ni. Okay. Don't abofo mi.
Yes. Bible no say according to Exodus 40 verse 30 no. Nyankopon Amos ye basin edisi wo container ansuo mu. O de si asora ni nchem ho bebi. Ansa no mowura osori de bia no. Omo de horo omo nsa ne omo na ansa no mowura mu. Ye wo ablution ye no ye wo faraid ene ye wo sunna faraid ni ye nea nyame hye di fo mo munyi na omo ye ene ye wo sunna ni ye nea nkomso mo sallallahu o de be ka ho ene ye wo mustahab ye nea elimdifo omo de ka ho what you say enti faraid no muslim bia ye ene ye o hye wan ye no wo ablution ye papa Moses ye Exodus 40 verse 30 Exodus 30 verse 17 to 20 Ana Moses nyina se pabo asa no wura so dem. Exodus onye wo mu nyina.
Ana mi se ebi no mo ye.
Oh ye ka wo hyewi. Wo hyewi akotena wi fu muskata ba ba kire waka.
But ebi no mo ye so mi se ko ba Christian mo.
Men ye ka majority. Exodus 3 verse number 5. Moses you know people be building an air system. Over Quran 20 verse number 11 to 15. Also, Ya Musa, also fakhla an alayka innaka bil wa'd al muqaddas tuwa. Also Moses, you know some people be building an air system. Now, yawo incremoni biara. Have you noticed a matter ablution no matter way? Now, near actually say Yesu, boy incremoni papa and me betre mu. Difference e boy no mu ntem e clear. We Luke 2 verse 21. Yawo Yesu na watch me pen e kan twetia. May talk based on scripts, not based on obini character. Kremo fonso yawo akola na watch ni twetia e fa ne fitra e Islam. Now, Apostle Paul actually almost say Galatians 5 verse 24. Ye twa twetia ehun ne fason. Ye twa twetia Yesu hun ne fason fama. Galatians 5 verse 2 to 4.
Galatians 5 verse
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Say Paul ne kan
Apostle Paul ne kan.
Say ye chow be me be chow
twetia Yesu hun ne fason ma.
Say chow be ma.
Ma men kan.
Okay, bayam.
Galatians 5. Okay, maybe okay. It is for freedom that Christ has set us free. Stand firm, then, and do not let yourself be burdened again by a yoke of slavery. Mark my words. Paul, I tell you that if you let yourself be circumcised, Christ will be of no value to you at all. Yes, verse number 3. Again, I declare to every man who lets himself be circumcised that he is obliged to obey the whole law. One shadow na se biem onya twetwetia one shadow na se biem one shadow na se biem and also you who are trying to be justified by the law have been alienated from Christ. What Yesu why alien to Yesu? You are falling away from grace. Never na mekai. So now Paul Neka. So me build my last point up. Say Nkrumah or Ghana ni yet on independence man Ghana. But oye Ghana ni. But no, as of for they are yet to show me a single quote that Yesu kasa we Christo. But me by tell quote Yesu kasa we kremoni. Luke 6 verse 40.
What say me ba? What say as of we improve you and answer obi a what say bia so no nim Bible more te Bible no. One friend and answer on chere baby a Jesus and I Yesu kasa we Christo.
Yes, because Islam is much more of a verb action. And a chere.
But who be prove
Quran verse. No. My prove Quran verse already. Quran chapter number 42 verse 13. Quran 2 verse number 136. Quran 3 verse number 85. Quran 3 verse number 19 and so forth and so on. Yes, you kremoni. Quran 19 verse 17 to 50. No, me quote to you. Me quote Amaka. Na me din kan quote to Quran mo anyakopon ka say omo nyina wat so bia Noah onam so. Saa so no na Abraham nam so. And one of Moses needs and I miss me will quote to start quotation. Yeah.
What you're telling the mass of behind you say. Opia was what by one chair, one better, and just say yes to cast away.
Yeah.
But also, what's our chair base? Yes to
and I quote to me, but tell me quote to Luke 6:40, me by Kayachro. Bible no New Testament about Greek and Aramaic. Original Testament Greek and Aramaic. Old Testament Hebrew and Aramaic. Luke 6:40. Your smartphones will be on Google or via Google. To say through Luke 6:40 in Aramaic. Me Kayachro freely.
Luke 6:40
in Aramaic. Or say en talmid nale al rabbo.
Aramaic now kind of spelling say
Aramaic. 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 En talmid nale al rabbo. Sheken kal Adam. She Muslim yihye krabo. Muslim Arabic, Hebrew as sister languages. Why would say Arabic ye? What Hebrew, what Aramaic, because papa ne Abraham. Muslim a Muslim. And I translate it no disciple. But the words it keeps on going. James 4:17 say, why don't you submit yourself to God? Submit Islam.
Submit
also, I didn't want submitted to God. When you submit to God, you are a Muslim. Anybody who has submitted to God is a Muslim. That's the definition of a Muslim. Somebody can't define them out. We didn't kind of find them out.
Into the time,
yeah, and Minjina, let me tell you. Dabi. In Christosum, Omote Christosum, our Antiochia. Apostle Paul, let's say, yeah, Antioch, Turkey, isn't it? Besa, Act 11, verse 26-27. I want to Paul in this for yes, almost me Christopher at the first time. Paul never nabas. And Agabusum. I am from Christians in the first time. Now, yes, you for no moon. Time or more, the information come as you for say, Yat is some dino. And I said, Nipa Bima Bomoyet show, Asia on, and a Act 15, and Rano Moody, Ketia Mo Itching, and Omuko Jerusalem, Omuko James Netabo, and Omuko Bamane. Son of Moose, yes, and Binimuso, yes, and Trene. Other than that, no, yes, yourself, or Munima definitely Christianity. Or Munima definitely Christianity. So before in the mainland master now, never me last, the person from you, or Moncham is single place. Yes, you castle a Christian. Remember, check Quran and say, yes, you are Muslim. Oh, yeah, so clear. Why? Let me throw in the Quran. Me a Muslim. And let me throw in the Quran. Say, in me Quran, yes, you can say, or you're Muslim. Tremoso as a Christian Bible 42 verse 13. 42 verse 13. And the Quran 2 verse 136.
Yes, you can't send me. Yes,
I know no come.
Pastor Danso.
Yeah.
But you be everybody.
Oh yes, now.
Yes, you do. What's your points now? Say go the field. What be your job in Ghana?
I said I've been ready. I've been ready. I said. Oh, sir, on what can it be?
Review one problem man. Review of quotations.
On my quotation, we say yes, you do so yeah.
My Bible is Quran quotations.
And my Bible quotation Luke 6:40 in Aramaic.
Bible
Luke 6:40
in Aramaic version.
Luke 6:40.
Yeah, smartphones so much more than this channel.
Luke 6:40
in Aramaic.
Mono ka san kan. Yes, you change so. Yes, you change so.
Mami bi edu. I time home. I can time.
Time over by me say.
10 minutes.
Anyhow, 1 minute to the rather say.
Yeah, maybe Luke 6:40 in Aramaic now. Me to make Casano Bible you show Aramaic, Hebrew, Greek. So you're not making any points, no.
What the Bible says 40, Luke says 40 years.
Me argument me making no. And a proper can say me make it explicit quote me quote too. Luke 6:40 in Aramaic. Bible you show Aramaic, Greek, Hebrew. 3 languages when original language. Before I go to my Bible, you should be able to understand these languages because the translator make mistake. You should be able to correct the translator. That is what makes me a Muslim. Who go to Arabic no, na wutia me correct o, and I go to English translation no, na error makes the way Arabic text no, interest a wrong translation. Into me quote to Aramaic no. Luke 6:40. And Talmud na le al-Rabu. Se kan Adam se Muslim di here grabu. No, yankai English translation. Man can say o Bible mu, Bible mu.
And it's an
English translation.
No. Papa. So Aramaic na say so be kind there. And the Paul has some kind of month.
Mankind, we argument to a very weak.
No, it's very weak. To you, we are weak. But Bible nas man can no find us in here.
Mankasa.
No. Say what's yanka Aramaic? I think go to Aramaic.
Mary, mon flow.
What's the quotation to say yes?
Am I in my time? Say I'm one time I'll prove to you. Time. You are here to until about me. Worry about me, my battle. Worry about me, my battle.
Or say yes, you can so
yes.
Look 6 verse 40. Ya ko yo, ka tie 40 o. Look 6:40 yes so e kremu. No problem. Bible da ya say. Okay, Mate. Papa, we need problem. Look 6:40.
Luke 6:40.
Osiani. Osi Yesu so ekremoni. E wo Lucifer. Osi Osiani ensan ne kyerɛkyerɛfo. Na de wosua bibi ehunu no. E na obeye se ne kyerɛkyerɛfo. Wait. Osi akyerɛfo mu nkyerɛ bi Yesu ekremoni. E wo Luke 4:16. Luke 6:40. Osi Osiani ensan ne kyerɛkyerɛfo. Deɛ wɔsua biribi na wɔhunu ɛna ɔbɛyɛ sɛ ne kyerɛkyerɛfo. Luke 6:40. Wei kyerɛ sɛ Yesu yɛ kremoni.
Three version.
Kabrɔfo no. Wɔn kan English no.
Okay, sick boy na kan.
No, more really time.
Me am time fa kan. Wo de ɛso amra. Ɛso atwa me. Ɛso atwa me. Me time so atwa me me ni ha. Yesu yɛ kremoni Luke 6:40. No problem.
The root words will be free.
What the young camera from no.
And your brother from the Bible.
Me time so up against anyhow. Scientific young boy. Luke 6:40.
A different point to maybe a free ever. The shake back and then the court many proof of this or the mate for the say. Cancer and you be cancer and son of brought from a bank of 5 pence in Yamai. And to say, can you chili a brought free? Yeah, the better the
original source. Yeah,
no problem. Luke 6:40. Luke 6:40. Think am I? Yes, you can.
Luke 6:40. I say the disciple is not above his master, but everyone that is perfect shall be as his master.
Say, I shake his head. Say, you should come. The person can say, I tell for your pamcho baby. That's okay. Right? Nyame okwan hodo bebre so a one ne nkomche for 19. Na me proof bibi o Bible no. Ye me nim ni say Yesu onye kremoni. Yesu onye Kristo ni. Yesu yeju ni. Yesu onye Montie ni ye ma me pa. Yesu nye kremoni. Yesu onye Kristo ni, ba Yesu yeju ni. Me na make catch that say Bible da. Adentia ono na wadi Kristo so na e bai. Yesu ba ye no wan establish Kristosom no obeye population towards it okoye no ahon konkron ni ba enti as two e na Yesu Kristo ni ministry no enti ebenya asum tu wo Bible no enti obo se Jewfo no asum no mfo no attack Yesu Kristo achidifo so what was say enti obo hu se ye benya Jewfo asofo e na ebenya Kristo fo asofo sa dey we say your conference bebre enti do be ehon wo free ya friend Judaism no Judaism almost from Zambia for Judaism ya Jew for so ya so Judah for so I say nyame okay Hebrews chapter 1 verse number 1 na mane light kakra Hebrews chapter 1 verse 1 that we eat deɛ Awurade asɛm ɛka. Hebrews 1.
Hebrews 1.
Me Bible na change ya net nta so nti mo hwema me.
Hebrews 1
verse 1.
verse 1. God, who at sundry times.
Yeah, every bi atwam. Ananya sa na winika.
Yeah.
Nyankopon atetebere. Na say e past. Tetebere no koy.
God, who at sundry times and in diverse manners speak in time past unto the fathers by the prophets. 2.
God
has in these last days
and this last day yebre so no
spoken unto us by his son.
Wo eye. Won enti ebire bi atwam no na onyame no wonam agya so bre so. Eni adifo no so e kasa wo bre so. Enti ukọ Bible no mu a ye wa Adam bre so. Eso se ne nyame ne wo nante. Adam bre so no nyame timi visit Adam direct. A won form bibia. Enti Genesis chapter 3:8 no ne nyame be sra Adam. So what man say o be sra no to ba be oni ni hia no na Adam nya de ade eni ho. Eno of face Adam bi ho ma me Genesis 3:8 na de me kan nipa nti ase.
Enti yango no wasoro no nti onhu de ba de na.
Oh, of asa na Bible na twira to. Me tre nyame sem nka de me ne bibia. Enti oba ye no aba bi oni Adam meeting no ni ho. Eno of face Adam owei. No se me da deja. No se na ye dan ena hu so de deja. Dua na me ka se mentini no aye de ade watie di.
Ena na mpeze mbisa senti oti edia bendi.
Oh, krache eno dia untimi musa nza me nya Nyankopon de atwa na me kan wase. Eno nti ahono no ebre de bi no. Ewo mu a woni bi no nante Noah nom ohun Noah na me ne nante Matusala nom omodoso Enoch nom omodoso bebre eba ya ele bedu Abraham etwato so saa. Enti Abraham generation no efri Noah wonya me de show na ma ne ka nipa 8 wadaka no through that no emu na Nyankopon frɛ Abraham no mo Mesopotamia senefa ne nya be frɛ no ne papa wu achi no ne nya me kyerɛ so onko saase na o kyerɛ no so ne ho no obehira no ampa Abraham yusutie okoe ne Lot ene ne ire Sarai ene omkoe nyame esiesie wo mo nya japade ne ade dru ba bi no no mo ntimi ntra faako enti ma Abraham ene Lot entem tete muntie ne yo tiefo muntie ne ye pa through that no makofa oba bi a yefe ne Hagar obo di sika to na koa no mo ne nam enti se right ka se me wura me hu se nyame atoma wodie mu enti ne pa cho kwafene hu ma me na menya no ho oba bi a ya enti no ebra Abraham enta pepepe eno take seed no started so ya hanta wo ne madam no so eno de kwato di kuro ni se wahu oba ne ba wo nche no nyi se hwede o ye na Abraham ka che se de opa bi afa ye no ya wo opa bi an chema Sarah hanti Hagar mani twane to twane no kwese nyame bofo abofo nka je wo fini na eba kwese be firi ma fana nche but go back ko bra ho ase fama no eno de wo Ishmael eti bra wo Ishmael wie ye no dako nyame ko Sodom and Gomorrah eno ko for Abraham eti Abraham de o mbe fi o ye ma hobo ye no o mo didi no ne Yakob san se ne ire Sarah we no so wo ntwadan o se afeda se ne ba no obeye eba atu that is Isaac promised child. Eti Bible say Abraham wo Isaac no oba wo Isaac no 99 years enti Ishmael me kam wo Bible ni quote wo ho no ye kwotebo Abraham wo ye kwoteboto do Ishmael wo kwoteboto ye ntwa de be mo ye boto asome ken ti ba say wo ye kwoteboto ene ye wo Ishmael enti Bible say Genesis nwoma no 17 no ahon ye betwa Abraham tabi twa Abraham twetiam no nya 99 years ti twa twetiam pepe ni follow 1 year 100 years and your Isaac. So I was any me take Isaac. But o catch there Sarah say Hagar say sa Ishmael no man na ekesi. Obe o man kesi e. Na mmom Isaac ye the promised child. Oni napam. E do ni Isaac fa pam. And Isaac ko wo enkwala mienu ye fe ba ko Esau, ye fe ba ko Jacob. And enkwala tu no nyame fa Jacob. And Jacob entokwan ba wonne ne ba ne nuare ntem. So enti akatakasi mo semi chirem say
Jesus so ye kremoni na wo
en zema dika chirem me si Yesu onye kremoni Yesu nye Kristo ni Yesu Kristo ye tun so on was from American and ono na di Kristo so ne ye e bae ti Yesu bae ne Kristo so man kasa no establish obeye population obeye ntotoye fa ho a enti o ka chire Peter say Peter woni Peter obutan so na me de myself be dia de ebesie na ene ese na esum me wa de ntina yesu Kristo so be establishing ministry until Kristo sum ni free Kristo mu na baaye so what man say Kristo sum ni yesu de baaye se kwa me nkroma nya ga ni meka o ye gokos ni but one day did the word guy or say I want to as one meka o ye ga ni kwa nkroma ga ni kwa me go ye gokos but one day ga na baaye so what man say that's why make a check for 10 years man pa kwa me nkroma nya ga ni o tom o ye gokos ni one day did the word ga na he e baaye na me che so ye ga ni o ye gokos ni but on the Ghana here, a buy yes, Kiso, you Juni, but on the Kiso Sumia, a buy as someone pass your test, I don't know. It may not come a proof, say, yes, Kiso, where Junior, and I said, was also a criminal, and one for a sham to us on a channel. Mate, it's the American say, Yankopon, I will be also sending on in the pie day, and Nancy Abraham Bresso. As I said, Nancy, Moses Bresso, which me by a cloud, what you might say we see. So what was it? What we sang about the post, we see kiki, somewhat here, by name, a true Jesus Christ. That is Christianity. True Jesus Christ, and you also choose a dimension, Yamaka Safa. And to be saying, Yankopon, what you be. Oh, na senya honi eko ebe dem popa ye ka semwa na ya samefa say o pese treaty crisis god afa no bra me ka we wan say am go bom e be controversial matter so pese tie o pese o bi say Yesu Kristo o ye nyame ana wo nye nyame no different topic em fa me bom be bia me nam na fa me bom o di be bom ma me ya to dabi o di be bom a e be different. Sa Yesu Kristo ye nyame no enya no sem agisi ye bie Bible no so into the la for fabra me so kra I'm still on my proper power. Christ is God e be ye de papa say me kire no so na nam e di the man can say I know ye me kire we use ya be me right e di ye can say Yesu Kristo no according to Bible no Yesu onye kremuni Yesu nye o Kristo ni Yesu eju ni e ti ye wo no to Judaism mu e tu bon say tama na nesuafo no enam no confusion bi si na Paul ka asem bi e Galatians chapter 3 I think verse 12 ken ka ma ye ni entie Yesu nye kremuni Yesu nye Kristo Yesu eju ni na mo won na di Kristo so no ye de e ba ye sa asma make kan no ken ka ma ye Galatians chapter 1 verse 13 also say ye chapter 1
chapter 1:13
yeah
Galatians chapter 1 verse 13 For ye have heard of my conversation in time past in the Jews religion.
So what man say and never the Jews religion Judaism Jew for some and when you used to ye say so many we used to ye e twe ye e just use no by your population Christianity population ni na wo Jew for some no and population be ye nyina no e Jew for some no be ye ade obey population it means to pay a Christ of 110 year yes you nye kremoni yes you know Christ ni yes you Jew ni na mom ono e no di Christ so me ye ade e pa ye that is my view and you won mu tie no mo fra won mo hu se de me gira be da
ko ye na chi oba ko ye na chi na som ne bai
mo obey your population be fa ni patwo and go training won so what I say and you can Matthew chapter 16 me say obey your population na efri ni mu na bai oh as I make I want to say I mean question na busen sa mention church
Matthew chapter 16
me gira ma bi mu da oba o it's Matthew 16 you should be kakre go Matthew chapter 16 now you share said asem Matthew 16 I'm saying verse number 18 Matthew 16 verse number 18 Matthew 16 verse number 18 Matthew 16 verse number 18
And I say also unto thee that thou art Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church.
I didn't no side for I will build. What must I say? Yes, I will build my church. 10 years. So what must I say? And some make us say, or Baba Yan to build them what the Janichi for me. Oh, and you can ask you, I want to conquer by it. You want your Betty say, Christo Safo. So what must I say? In Bible, so one more GD and no, I want the FG assembly. Yet one more car asafo. Yes, and Yesu Christo on your Islamic. Yesu Christo, on your Christian. Yesu Christo, you Jew.
Okay.
Ɔno ne yɛwɔ ne to yɛ, but ɔbɛyɛ population towards Christianity. Nti owu kɔɔyɛ no, wɔde tumi no baayɛ no, ɛna n'asuafoɔ no establish Christianity ministry and Christianity religion. Yeah. Nti ano no.
Next 10 minutes.
Solar chapter 69.
Surah 69. And
69.
Okay, 69. Verse 9.
69. Can't be verse 1 now.
Okay, men can Arabic, no. Okay, also Surah chapter 69. Also the reality, the day of resurrection. What is the reality? And what will make you know the reality? And then I make 69. No, question no. Questions. Also mean we go to chapter. No, also mean it's I make
Start
the reality.
The reality. So reality.
Such as the day of resurrection. Such as the day of resurrection. What is the reality? And what will make you know what the reality is? Samud and Ad people denied the Qari'ah, the striking hour of judgment. As for Samud, they were destroyed by the awful cry. And as for Ad, they were destroyed by furious violent wind, which Allah imposed on them for 7 nights and 8 days in succession, so that you could see men lying overthrown, as if they were hollow trunks of date palms. And also, do you see any remnant of them? Verse 8, no. Verse number 9, was and Pharaoh, and those before him, and the cities overthrown, the towns of the people of Lot commit sin, and they disobeyed their Lord's messenger, so he punished them with a strong punishment. Verily, when the water rose beyond its limit, Noah's flood, we carried you, mankind, in the floating ship. That was constructed by Noah. Verse number 12, no, was that we might make it remembrance for you, and the keen ear person may hear and understand it. Then when trumpets will be blown with one blowing, and the earth and the mountains shall remove from their places and crush with a single crushing, then on that day shall the great event befall.
Once I tell you now, say once and walk. While if Noah, I'll refer Lot. Time. Yes, we can say me say. Send a no one now. Send a baby only for Bano. Nindam. Send ye a lot and down. Send a baby only for Bano. Nindam. And you have seen the Kulan egg. Oh, yeah.
Dr. Heat. And all that 20 ratings with Tiango.
Anything, Kulan about level in control.
Bible by Jamura.
Good. It's all for fast more way.
Okay.
Muhammad or a Christian. Bible Master of Muhammad. So Muhammad, so I consider Muhammad not sure and the Bible will go to
because Bible better
good.
And a Bible master
why go to a Quran? It was starting verse 1 and said the verse 1 is then. Ma'am, come verse 1.
That's why.
Verse 1 is then.
Al-Haqqa.
The
reality.
That is I am.
What's there?
The
reality. The reality.
The day of resurrection.
So the Nigumoli say. Genesis chapter 18. Oko say so the Nigumoli and Oko ko Abraham fie. Genesis John chapter 8. Yes to say. Me na me ko Abraham fie no. Me na me ko Abraham fie no. What's on me so?
Oh.
Make us alone. Make us alone. Good. Why do how many times this here? Good. Who said? Yes, go to John chapter 8. He said, Abraham was glad to see one of my days. and he saw it and was glad. And I said, before Abraham I was. John chapter 8, yes, Christ okay. So what I say nothing. It say yes, Christ okay say so do money assign who asem. Say ono Abraham fie na. No Bible aka say so do money assign. Na Bible say no wa blessing so yiri buy. Na say Holy Quran e be quote to asem okofa asem fi hipa.
Confess Bible.
Good. Last me come ha say with that Bible book be a book man come ha okay say a bomb
but Bible be two books be
with that Bible book be a book
say with that Bible say Bible no ha
book be na Genesis nti Quran say na no quality dia and no my quote no say Bible must and wafa throw hon.
Say na Quran e chance no carry me say ni beba we dey Hebrew mu dia.
Of our Bible mu no throw we no ja obi wo no throw obi.
Okay.
Good.
I say Apple.
Yes, Apple. Yeah, that's all.
Hey, say who take
in that you know some I just some Bible book be a book.
Book be a book.
Good.
It be a book sir.
Look. Chapter 1. Embla obofo no call Mary hono. Now, on your criminal.
No, but for the criminal and
Mary, your criminal.
Okay, no, you didn't.
On your Israel, Fiabusiabim. Bible says, Nico Joseph, no, a Junie.
Into the papa side and say, yes, Fidia, we Junie said,
one didn't cross the close. One didn't cross the close. Junie was Junie. Benjamin was Benjamin.
Okay.
I said,
Mary, she Junie.
Good. Nibusian Elizabeth. I'll call in China. I will be punished. Coconusun Club Akuno. Now, Nick just opening. So I saw the noise of opening.
Not Nick Cruyas of penny.
Good. Elizabeth. Nakamusuma. That I Nakamusuma.
And the Senate Christo Samson into a sorry.
Good. John, now one no. Now never pay some penny.
I saw the penny.
Good. Starting naturally what in Siano, what Jordan home, or the yes to come mobile nesu, one money su as well than war. Satan as you mobile su. Good. Until we each say, or Suma who wire there.
Because the Benny, yes, to go sorry, them cook can no make good yet.
And anybody I saw that. Yes, now so. Yes, you know, you can want some. Oh, yes, that's making. What I see? Ne maami owo no, ne papa owo no, when you come.
We do that for.
Ne busuani a Elizabeth na okota ne chen, mra na owo 6 months. Wa wo you yin John 6 months na okoya John ne Yesu so kasa wo yefunu mu no. Na ne kuya so penin. Na nya krimoni. What I see? Good. Yesu na wo no na Joseph, ne ne ba Bethlehem na wo be wo no Bethlehem. Obetra Nazareth no. Joseph na ye krimoni. Jew fu won so. Hebrew some Israel final from Hebrew for.
Okay.
This are Hebrew soon and no woman. And you crimosum. It is said Crimosumba. They be who format to be a what is soon. No copy no ya that means say who you can say soon about you. Obeko no be come when you not born you. Entity you. Who must suma who be two or soon be and who soon yamida down. Also now one more champion. Esuafo na yete won kan wo Acts chapter 1 Yes Christo ni won ko eno no ye Christopher Yes Christo beto wan no wo so dada John the disciple Andrews the disciple no wo John the Baptist wo and Yes Christo fa won follow no wo ko suade Yes Christo se me ne kwan no kware na nkwa no what as you John kan say we ni Yakobon gwamba yubiase bone ko nti wo ko suade ne wo pe bibia so bi so wo ko mu say we ni Messiah ne dia me call me when me could nachi. Say when na me say Messiah bi no betuma ye ogiamo. To ko follow no. Yes Christ ko be punish no. Na all kosoro no, ono won koi. Em na Yes Christ ko soro no. Esuafo no ko han bai. We be share na honkonkon hwe gu won so no. We started sell. Wo ba bonten. Wo kan san kwaje ho asema ye Yes Christ ho asem. Nipa se won anu mensa. Peter solid na ka che won say. Ya no mensa. ɛyɛ bɔhyɛ a waka sɛ ne de di akyi no obɛhwɛ no hume gu honam nyinaa so ɛho ne bɔhyɛ ne na abem no na yɛn ne yɛn ba nyinaa yɛ dia Bible sɛ ba ne sa no ebinom GD wɔ Acts chapter 2 hɔ no o kan fi verse 37 hɔ no ɔsɛ na wɔte no ɛwɔwɔ wɔn kumem ɛna wɔka kyerɛ Petro sɛ asomafo Petro ne asomafo no sɛ ɔsɛ anuanom yɛnyɛ dɛn na Petro si wɔn sɛ monsakra mo adwene na mo nyinaa nya ma wɔn bɔ mo esu Yesu Kristo din mu ima mo bɔne fefiri Yesu Kristo din mu ma mo den bɔne fefiri.
Okay, what make you point say you be a kasa the problem we take shake the point now we make it na obisa question be pray say yes buy you yes now we claim so ye Muslim oh yeah sorry I kind of fast so be so on the night any sorry na e dey ade asura nsuro ma wo bra sorry den ma wo de wo na se me ade ni what
yes no ye ba o miskotu Moses Yakopon ya mo ye wo ehia kemadana no
okay enti no tre esuma o mo sumo
ene yasumo eye we etese be kwa so be kuma so de na me so be kuma so de wo dia ti carpet we so ansa wa kwaso na be pa na ase
amo ye man breso
Moses afreso yes
that's all Moses
na what is Jesus so kwa so no kwa ye ne wo wanko pampa mo wo won na yoso no wo so no anti yaso ya tonga adu wa so de mo sa.
My central question be said, I think it was the Apostle Paul. I can 20 and one set.
20 I make us a major. But if you free the Yakan was no. Two. But if you free the Yakan was no, no Musukaka. But if you free the Yakan was no, now what you enjoy the past one money. When we start to sue a chat. Now I put our money. Good. And what my head said. Monje bali Yesu Kristo ndi na won bo mesu na monya boni fefiri Acts chapter 2 na me go sumi kan ni nti se boni fefiri na bahina ho abegina hina so Yesu so Bible
20 year na Apostle Paul kai no
me ba me kire mu nti se sie me pe boni fefiri aye den enye twetwe twa bio eye meji Yesu Kristo eti na me boni fefiri something me ble me tell you boni fefiri time me ble yo Tell me free that come because my start my soul in bimbo. Me ko Yesu din po. But me play boni free. Tell me Jesus Christ di no. Boni free ti na me Jesus di no na me person me job fufu di no.
Okay, time no.
When so time. Na wo bo problem na. Wo problem no is on my time. We so on me. Good. Eti ma make sure so pope. Se boni free dia. Acts chapter 2. And I'm making can you verse 37 eba no obisa say yan den Israel fo Hebrew fo no Jew fo say everyone nti yan den na wo kan yan den say munji Yesu Kristo ndi na munya boni fefiri say boni fefiri Yesu bi na ko so no ma bio ma obi ko for so fo ba bio yan ka ti so
okay nti say Yesu Kristo dia Yesu Kristo ndi
boni fefiri na wa you do only boni fefiri.
Okay, say you to use the Muslim.
I am Muslim. I must not go on my way.
Yes, you use the
I come for some food.
Let me say yes.
I come on for some food.
Where Muslim?
Paul party. Peter no and answer and can say maybe about 50. The men one some. Na come be a fast and performer. No matter for Bible never be from me can say me who can say and
okay, that's 91.7 FM. Hey, that's a
40. Omo kan brofo and a tree. Brofo a translation. A translation. Translation no enye reliable maybe chere ansana matoaso. Me pa ocho ya me first Samuel 13 verse 1. We first Samuel 13 verse 1. We be first Samuel 13 verse 1. Na ya share 13 verse 1. How reliable unreliable the English translation is. First Samuel 13. What the Breman? Translation about I showed you what the Mame Kasa. First Samuel 13 verse 1. Who fear? Osha RSV version now. Or say Maminkai. 1 Samuel 13.
Menka twina na.
Obo to mark.
Yeah,
Kaiman. Oh, Patrick Kaiman.
Menka ma.
Yeah.
O say ubetimi de na so ma.
Patrick Kaiman.
O say so ebedi hene. Na wadi mfisia aduasa.
30.
Na odi Israel so hene mfie mienu.
Okay. Patrick, may kind RSV version. What will fear? For so ebedi hene how many years? 30 years. Okay. May kind RSV version.
Okay.
Or say Saul was ... years when he began to reign. So the translation
hold
on. Mamen kasa. Translation no reliable because some translation quite yibi efimu.
Okay, you can different.
Oh, Mamen kasa. Different English
one. King James ni ngade.
Anya wona becha me na kan Mamen.
King James ni
aha. Yedi na mintirim. Mama odiehu. Aha. So the next point me building say Luke 6:40 mimi quote original text in Aramaic in which are expected past tense. Our more nimidi ewo Bible mo send me. Book quote original text no. Ewo oh you come na feel.
No.
I expected say omme quote Aramaic version no amame na ma kire me say Aramaic no Muslim no na sikire ni ana Muslim no eni original text no mu they couldn't do it. My point
King James
can say Mary onye kremoni me say point Quran what Mary kremoni Quran 3 verse 42 Quran 3 verse 42
I say the Quran muna makoto
me nti tio esana we nti me ba me quote Quran no me quote Quran na mo say hey Quran mo na we ni Bible mu me ba me quote Quran mo say hey are na me quote yes yes Mary Quran 3 verse 42 Mary ye kremoni na omo ka Jew ye ka Jew ye obi a Jacob ne mammer madumienu o firi sa ebusuan mammer madumienu na se e na o ye Jew ni e no ye tribe and tongue and then there was some
Hebrew food
kasi you come na fili ye wo Judaism yetino Judah neighbor that's what the name is Judah neighbor before Judah neighbor na some na wo ho ye wo hana mebra pastor danso o ma me read verse ni is it Genesis 4 e ko na ho I can say set abere so e no mo sha se o mo fra nyame that time na ya wo Judah me ye can osoma omukotu who say pastor that's not obemeki and stories from Genesis Ereba we bukotu from Genesis Ereba and obia sun to mean deny the fact say Yesu onye nkremoni the only thing omaka say Yesu ye Jew ni and say Jew busua Jew enye osoma Islam much more of a verb action word feel you o kasa nya me de na bo ma umre now and me be kasa for circumcision twetia no ho in Galatians 5 verse 1 to 4 no say ni obotwa ni twetia bia Christ ho ni fa so man biem and wo kasa enkwaje wansam na ye ka se enkwaje wansam na ye ka Paul ka enkwaje wansam no tell say ye nya twa twetia Yesu ni enkwaje ni nkan. Meanwhile in Luke 2 verse 21 no ni otwa ni twetia Yesu. So momo sumo na me kire say yet momo sumo no e Acts 11 verse 26-27 I expect some make say meboa and no so mojitu
obi ajitu mu
and osama
no make say ajitu mu by force me ajitu
me say munya manka wase
no manka
we dey come silence means consent me ba
no be so for say me
o hwe omojitu mu say Yesu na de Yesu no amfa Kristo mamba obetreni dom bi and as dom na di Kristo so ye den e de bai. Now, we finish me argument infinito. I didn't tell yes, no, I wouldn't no, ono de buy no. Next year for no quarter be differently. Any ono de buy. Let me prove be very, very clearly to you. Ewa hano. Yes, osueni biare ni ho a ontre be before bi except omo. Enti Yesu ka say Matthew 7 o she omo ho come answer na oko. not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven. And no be what Jimmy yes bibia wasn't wura did you want some and nobody saw in my but he who does the will of the Father in heaven. Nyoye ejana pedie den I would show me 5. When the Yamanem ransom so I wouldn't quite you. Because what? Yes, to say, in my second coming, many people will say unto me, don't be Rebecca tell me, yes, Lord, Lord, did we not cast demons in your name? And yenton when you feel with them, I command you to break a loose. Jesus. Yes, you did. And did we not perform any miracles in your name? And then I will say to you plainly, I never knew you. Minimu, flee away from me. You evil doers.
Also, can't be so big make now who say na yesu will free say maybe I'm sorry for sorry yes
my man point to
the original
me betre Greek no say me betre Greek as no say Luke 6:14 in terms say kama no siwa me say ma no siwa quote no so yesu onimu omo enti omo mo tutu e omo no yesu dem omo mo sha omo no mo kan say yesu di no mo de ni a yesu si onimu omo
no mo nyina na o so onimu
o kan o he say onimu omo o kan say onimu kakra he fa no ka wona wo de wa dwen ka wona wo de wa dwen ka yesu an ka so nim kakra nim kakra men to so Luke 6:14 or say entalmid nale your friend is a smartphone piano. You can Google Luke 6:40 in Aramaic. Entalmid nale al rabo shekenkal Adam Muslim MUSHLAM. Omonche word no Muslim no asese say. So me point in say MUSHLAM.
And then Luke 6:14.
Luke 6:14 no. Into my point. Yeah, omo from one country. My point I me be do ham say translation no omo share no omo kan no. It is not the fact omo release e Hebrew text mu. That is why you have lot of translations. So or the translation can tell me say your true disciple honoma on cash.